Today we're gonna make homemade elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup has tons of medical benefits if you take it daily. And my mom has been looking at all these different kinds of elderberry syrup that was selling on the shelves, and she has now found this recipe of making her own homemade syrup. So she makes this, and my dad and my mom have been taking 1 tablespoon every day for the last 3 years, and they have really helped boost their immune system and haven't gotten sick, thank God. This isn't wood, but we'll knock on this. And they've been taking it every day. My sister takes it, she makes it for all our kids. So I wanted to share the recipe with you guys because it really works. So we're gonna use this dried elderberry. And this is the brand that I bought online. It's an organic elderberries. They're just dried elderberries. I've linked it in my Amazon store and below in my YouTube so you guys can purchase it at home. And we're just gonna use ginger, whole cloves, cinnamon, water, and raw honey. So simple. Let's go to the stove. We're gonna start with 3 cups of water. 3/4 cup of dried elderberry. 1 cinnamon stick. We're gonna do about 4 whole cloves of whole cloves here. We're gonna put those in. And a teaspoon of ground ginger. Mix all of this. And we're just gonna let this boil for about 20 minutes. So we boiled this for 20 minutes and you can already smell, it's amazing, the smell. So we're gonna pour this, straining the mixture. These little berries here. We're gonna take the berries and we're gonna press them down so we can get all the juice out of them. And it has such a distinct flavor. It's like the aroma is very like a flower, but it's sweet. It smells so good. And now, while it's still hot, we've really got all that juice out. Okay. And now while it's still hot, we're gonna add 1 cup of honey, which is a lot of honey, but it's gonna make it nice and thick. And the syrup is already dissolving because it's nice and hot. It's already dissolving into the liquid. So we have the honey nice and dissolved into our liquid. It is still pretty loose, but once it cools down, it's gonna get nice and thick. And then you'll have your perfect elderberry syrup to take once a day so that you can boost your immune system. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.